How to play Repo multiplayer. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to play Repo, the intense co-op horror game, with your friends in multiplayer mode. Whether you're a first timer or just need a quick refresher on how to do this step-by-step guide will help you get started and survive together. Part 1. Hosting a game. Let's start with how to host a multiplayer game in Repo. 1. Open the game and click Host Game on the main menu. Then, choose New Game to start fresh or select a saved game if you've played before. 3. Click Invite to bring up your Steam friends list. 4. Right-click the friend you want to play with and select Invite to the game. 5. Once everyone joins, hit Start Game and you're in. Part 2. Join a game. Now, here's how to join a game your friend is hosting. 1. Launch the game and choose Join Game from the menu. 2. Find your friend in the list or accept their Steam invite. 3. Click Join and you will load straight into the lobby with them. Tips for success. Quick tips before jumping in. Stick together. Teamwork is key for survival and carrying items. Use proximity voice chat, but remember, monsters can hear you. Plan your escape routes before picking up loot. Upgrade your character wisely. Stamina and strength really matter. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to play Repo in multiplayer mode. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, share with your crew and subscribe to the channel for more guides. Now, grab your gear and dive into the calls. Good luck out there. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.